What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Factored YouTube channel. So, I told you guys that I had another performance parts coming in for this thing, right? This is a diverter valve or blow-off valve, however you want to call it, from ECS Tuning. And it's made specifically to go on the Volkswagen Tiguan. I talked with one of the guys there, so it's a good match. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to get ready to take this thing off. I got the best lighting that I possibly could because my shop is actually being used right now, so I can't really get in there. But, and I don't know what size, this is, maybe it's got a size on it. This is a number 5 Allen head. So you need a number 5 to go with the new bolts that they send you with the kit, because this takes the longer bolt since it's a little bit thicker, and it comes with it. So that's what size you'll need for that. And then obviously you want to make sure that you put it in a good spot where it's not going to roll off. And then now I'll start taking this stuff away. So after dropping one of the bits to put this on and off, get it on and off, I dropped it down in the motor somewhere. So who knows where that's at. But I finally got it all off, as you can see. This is the stock blow-off valve, I guess. And then this is the ECS tuning spacer. So, or blow-off valve, whatever you want to call it. So now I just got to put it back on. So what I'm going to try to do is kind of just see if I can snake it down in there. I might not be able to. No. Alright, so first, what you gotta do, and this is how the guy showed on YouTube for the ECS tuning video that I watched, but I guess you get that on there first, and that's what that looks like. So you'll put that on first, and then you take your stock diverter valve, in theory, and with a little bit of wiggling, it goes right in. Now, what you want to do is you got a little, I should have showed you guys, my bad, but you have a little divot on the spacer that you're putting on, and you got to make sure that the nipple on the stock one lines up with the one on the spacer. That way it locks in. And then you can do it any way you want. I'm going to try it with the easy way. Guys, so I finally got it installed, and I plugged everything up to make sure that it would function right. And if I can find my light, you can see everything's back together. I have to tighten down that screw down there yet for the inlet pipe, but other than that, I'll give you guys a listen at how it sounds now. Because it actually sounds pretty darn good. Like, you can definitely hear the turbo swoosh off now and blow off the valve, so. So that's with the hood open. And now I'll show you guys what it sounds like with the hood closed. It's going to sound pretty nice on a pull, I'll tell you that. But just sitting here revving up, it sounds good though. So that's what it sounds like revving it up there. Like I said, under a load, it's going to spool up a little bit different. You'll be able to hear, you know, like a spool up, hopefully a little on the turbo blow off. But that's what I was going for. It's really easy to install. If I would have took off the engine cover, which is what it said to do in the video, but I didn't do that. But if you do that, you actually give yourself plenty of space, which I didn't do. So, but it's not really that bad. Totally worth it. As soon as I drive it somewhere and see, you know, if it made any difference at all and how it spools up or, you know, how hard it pulls, I'll definitely do a video update on that. But as for that, you know, that's pretty much the end of the video. So till then, see you next time, YouTube. Peace out.